Hello friends and welcome to Parks Crafty Creations. I'm your host Brian Parks, and today we're at the Spring 2025 Dapper Day at Epcot in Orlando, Florida. I'm here with my mom, and we're here to check out some of the great outfits that everybody's created. Join us, won't you? Dapper Day paired perfectly with Epcot's annual Flower and Garden Festival, providing a stunningly beautiful background for some amazing fashion flourish.
Hello there! Greetings from Epcot at Dapper Day. This is Figment here with the one and only Dream Finder, of course. We're out here sweating profusely but also finding dreams as we've always done since 1982 when they first brought us to the park. But got rid of me. Bring me back, curse you. Isn't that right, Figment?
That's right.
But of course, we can always just use our imagination. Imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. But just one spark from me and you. Thank you very much. Happy Dapper Day. And keep imagining, kids. You never know what you may find out there.
While exploring Epcot during our Dapper Day adventure, we couldn't resist stopping to admire the stunning blooms of the Flower and Garden Festival. From vibrant topiaries to colorful floral displays, the park was bursting with springtime magic. If you're loving all this Dapper Day inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a fellow sewing friend. It really helps support the channel and keeps the creativity flowing. Mom and I couldn't pass up a topiary photo op in Epcot's Italy. When in Rome. Hello friends, we're back for day 2 of Dapper Day. This time we're over at Magic Kingdom. We've got a lot to do today, a lot of great outfits to see. We saw a lot yesterday that were really fantastic. So we're looking forward to seeing what we can see today. On Main Street USA, we got the chance to truly step back in time with a vintage style photo op, complete with an old-timey camera and classic poses. It felt like we were starring in a turn-of-the-century postcard. We paused for a quick break and caught one of the magical character cavalcades. Come take a moment and enjoy the magic with us.
there we headed to the Liberty Belle paddle boat for a memorable farewell cruise around the rivers of America, joined by all of our fellow Dapper Day friends.
Thanks so much for joining us on this magical stroll through Spring Dapper Day 2025 at Epcot and Magic Kingdom. We hope these amazing outfits sparked some fresh ideas for your own handmade looks. Let us know in the comments which outfit was your favorite, or what you're planning to sew next. Until next time, stay crafty, stay creative, and we'll see you next time.